I'm Peter Sidwell from Keswick Cookery School and Simply Good Food TV. Now, if you're watching this, you probably want to know how I make all those lovely cuts into this recipe for Tikka roasted butternut squash. Now, it's a Hasselback is the technique, and normally it's done with potatoes, but we decided to do it with butternut squash to get as much surface area exposed as possible to get all those lovely Tikka marinated spices into the squash. So the secret is 2 wooden spoons either side of your squash, and then simply take your knife and just cut in until you hit the spoon, and then same again. So it's no fancy technique, you know, you don't have to just be a chef to be able to do this. All we need to do is cut against the wooden spoons, and you can do the same if you were doing Hasselback potatoes. Right, there you go. That is how you do the Hasselback cuts using your wooden spoons, and this butternut squash is now ready for all that lovely Tikka paste and then into the oven to roast.